Good morning. I went to Walmart last night and found these awesome Stranger Things cookie mixes. This is a brownie kit mix. This is a pizza cookie kit. And this is a favorite waffle mix. So this is all my end cap had on display, but I've seen a couple other variations online. So this was at Walmart. They are $5.97 for each. So value-wise, it's not really worth it. This is just, you could get like a whole box of waffle mix for $2 to $3. You can definitely get a box of cheap generic brownie mix for like $1. So value-wise, it's not worth it, but I got sucked into the packaging. The packaging is awesome. And they do this every once in a while with different themes. Like the last time I did a video on this at Walmart at Halloween, they had Hocus Pocus cupcakes and brownies and stuff. And I tried it and I swore I never would do it again because they don't give you enough icing. They don't give you enough ingredients. And you have to like supply other ingredients. But I got sucked into the box. So like for this one, I already took the brownie out. So here's the decorative wafers. You get 6 wafers. And they're gonna look like a Stranger Things cassette tape. And then this is the brownie mix. And this is the little thing of icing, of black icing. Most likely will not use the icing. I don't like black icing, and this is Walmart, so I'm sure it tastes like crap. But this box is awesome. And there's a cutout on the back. You cut this out, and it's a mini VHS cassette tape holder. I don't know, I just thought it was cute. Like I said, I swore I would never do this again, but yet here I am. I got sucked in to this awesome packaging. So first thing we're gonna do is the brownies. So it needs 2 eggs, 1/3 cup oil, and 2 tablespoons water. I have all the ingredients. And so basically we're gonna just taste test the brownie mix. I will show you what the wafers look like, but I'm not gonna decorate the brownies. I'm just gonna make them. All right, the batter's in the oven. Actually, you know, I always like the batter. I don't care about raw eggs, and it's actually really good, but I do find out, it's funny, they made a mistake. So additional ingredients, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup oil, 2 tablespoons water. Instructions: preheat oven, grease sides of a 9x9 pan, mix and form. Stir together brownie mix, oil, and water. Pour into greased pan. Do you notice something? Doesn't mention the eggs. It doesn't tell you to mix in the eggs. How peculiar. Why does it not mention the eggs? So, big mistake. The brownies are done. I have let them cool. It did take the full 35 minutes. They are kind of thin brownies. I noticed that last time when I did the Hocus Pocus batch, but they look good and they smell good. So I'm gonna cut this up and do a taste test. The brownies have cooled down. It looks good. These are the wafers that it comes with. And I cut my brownie too small. So you're supposed to put that on top. And then you take the black icing and like draw lines right here to make it look like the tape of the VHS. I'm not gonna do that. I just want to eat the brownie, but I'm taking one up to my husband for him to try. So I'll put one on there in case he wants to eat that. And then I cut up the box. This is, see, I cut the back of the box out. This is the little VH tape if you follow the instructions and glue the sides. It's actually, I'm sorry, VHS tape box. It's cute, it is cute. I'll put that in my office. Don't know what I'll put in it. Maybe stickers or something, but cute, I like it. These are cute. You can't really like keep them long term because it's edible paper, and if it gets wet, it will definitely dissolve. But those are cute too. So let me do a quick taste test. All right, here we go. Taste test of the brownie. It's actually pretty good. If you remember the last one I did, the Hocus Pocus brownie, it was really oily. This one doesn't taste oily, even though it had like the 1/3 cup oil. It don't taste oily. I'm glad I was smart enough to know to mix the eggs in, even though the instructions forgot that part. Not bad. Not bad for $5.97 Walmart brownie. Much better than the Hocus Pocus kit. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll link that video down below. But these whole like cookie kits and brownie kits, they have them all the time with different themes. It's actually a pretty good brownie. I might taste the wafer. The Hocus Pocus had white wafers too. They were the Three Witches. This is a lot of black ink. I'm just not a fan of, in my experience, black icing and black ink. Not good. Not good in the long run, if you know what I mean. So, this really has no flavor. It really is like eating paper. But it's a cute decoration. The next Stranger Things box kit we're trying is the Surfer Boy pizza kit. It's making pizza cookie kit. You're making little sugar cookies that look like pizzas that are decorated with gummy bears that are, gummy candies that are supposed to look like pineapple and jalapenos. So in the movie, in the TV series, they like pizza that has pineapple and jalapenos, and they actually have Walmart has where you can buy those full-size pizzas. I've actually tried it. They're really good. I think they're like $6.97 a pizza. So pineapple and jalapeno sounds weird, but it actually tastes really good. So the kit comes with the sugar cookie mix, and then these are the little candies that you're supposed to cut up if you want. Cut the green off to make it look like jalapeno, cut the pineapple up to look like pineapple, and then they got these little sprinkles that are supposed to look like cheese and pepperoni, and then they have red icing, an extremely small tube of red icing. I can tell you right now, there's no way that is enough icing to make all of the cookies look like that. That's just not enough icing. So it says, so what you need is 1 egg and 5 tablespoons melted butter. Preheat oven, I've done that. I got my cookie sheet. Stir together cookie mix, butter, and egg. Make 1 to 1/2 inch balls and press flat with palm onto cookie sheet. Makes 10 3-inch cookies. There's no way this is enough icing to cover 10 3-inch cookies. Said that before, these kits never supply enough icing. Not surprised. That's okay. I will decorate a couple cookies so you can see what they look like, but for the most part, I don't want red food coloring icing. Again, food coloring doesn't always agree with my husband or me. Definitely not red, but I will make a couple so we can try to make it look like this. And I will probably just eat the candy as is. I do actually like gummy candy. Okay, and as you can see, there's a little box. Flip the box over, and it is another cutout. So we're gonna cut this out, and it's supposed to make our own little pizza box that will be big enough to put 1 cookie in. I'm gonna get this mixed. There's my oven, it's preheated. Get this mixed together and get it in the oven. All right, I am gluing the box together. Pro tip, have paper clips. Every paper clip is a glue spot holding it together while it dries. So unless you have a kid who wants to hold the box the entire time while it dries, make sure you have paper clips. I did that for the cassette tape too. Paper clips and Elmer's glue. Very easy, or not so easy if you don't have paper clips. The instructions said 10 to 11 minutes. This has actually been 18 minutes, and they're not golden brown at all, but their bottom is cooked, so that's fine. I'm gonna put them over here to cool. I just don't want them to burn. With sugar cookies, they don't ever really get dark, but it did say when they're golden brown, 10 to 11 minutes, but whatever. But it did make 11 like it said it would. It's a little oily because of all that. I mean, there's no oil in it, it's butter, but it didn't stick to my pad. That's good. All right, once they cool down, I will ice them and see how many the red icing actually covers. My guess will be 3, 4, maybe. All right, there was only enough icing to ice 5 cookies. And as you can see, there's only 9 cookies. I did eat one earlier just to make sure they were cooked all the way. They are very good. But I knew there would not be enough icing. So I do actually like the decorations. It really does look like cheese and pepperoni. And then these are the gummies I'm not cutting up. I've just been snacking on them as is. They're gummies and they actually taste really good. So, spoiler alert, I already did the taste test. It's a good sugar cookie. Excuse me as I eat this. It tastes like any other gummy. So got a bit of like a Sour Patch. Tastes like a Sour Patch Kid. So it was a fun kit. I would recommend it. Again, this is like $5.97. The cutout box to put your cookie in is adorable. I actually think I glued it upside down. I think this meant to be the top. Now this is the top. You're supposed to put a cookie in it. There we go. Didn't make my cookies too big. Come on, get in your pizza. There you go. How adorable is that? Very cute. All right, so the last Stranger Things kit we got was the waffle mix. This is a big bag of waffle mix. It was the same price as everything else, $5.97. It glows in the dark. That does not sound healthy whatsoever. So it does explain, how does it glow? Certain vitamins and tonic waters glow naturally under UV light. One of them is vitamin B2, also called riboflavin. So blah, blah, blah. It is completely safe to consume. We'll see. I do have a black light, so we'll be able to test how it does glow. All it needs is 3 cups of water. I kind of wish it was like you could divvy it up. I'm sure I could figure out how to divvy it up, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to, it's just gonna be a lot of pancakes or a lot of waffles. It says it makes 24 servings, yields 24 4-inch round waffles. 4 inch is like this big, so they're, you know, I think my waffle maker is like 8-inch, but whatever. I'm gonna make them all. We'll see how many it makes, and then what we don't eat, I'll just individually wrap and freeze them and eat them for breakfast the next couple weeks. Just the waffle mix. All those delightful icings and chocolate chips and candies are not included. All you get is the waffle powder. There are some kind of little candy sprinkles in the waffle mix, and it smells very sweet, but look, that's a lot of mixture. A lot of mixture. It's half fills my mixing bowl, but it smells really good. Batter is mixed, and I think they're just little candy sprinkles, like cupcake sprinkles, you know what I mean? And this is a lot of batter. Did I mention that? Which, I mean, it's just me and my husband, but like for a family, I'm sure this is the perfect amount. But for just the 2 of us, this is gonna make a lot of waffles. All right, first waffle done. It's looking pretty good because the first waffle always just, if you ever make waffles in a waffle maker, the first one never looks right. But this actually looks pretty good. I think I said earlier my waffle maker was an 8-inch. I'm wrong, it's 6-inch. And the recipe said it's 4-inch waffles. So how many 6 inches? It would be 24 4-inches. So I'm thinking I'm gonna get like 18 6-inches. We'll see. And then it's gonna take a while to cook all of them. So I just have my oven on warm, and I'll stick these in the oven because my waffle maker only makes 1 at a time. So the whole, it glows in a black light. Yeah. There's yellow spots throughout it, but not really impressed. As you can see, my sheets glow better than this waffle. So definitely not what it looks like on the package. The batter made 8 6-inch waffles, and remember it said it would make 24 4-inch waffles. So I really thought I'd get more than 8, but I'm fine with 8. Used all the batter. And you can see the little sprinkles in it. Sorry, my cat's going crazy as I'm trying the waffles. So they taste pretty good. They're pretty good. The last waffle mix we had, I don't remember what it was. I think it was a generic waffle mix and it wasn't that good, but this is actually pretty good. I don't know if it's worth $5.97, but I should be recording the cat because she's being hilarious. So yeah, it does not glow in the dark as advertised. Good waffle. Can you hear that? She's using her scratching post. So anyway, I don't know. If you're into Stranger Things, it's worth getting the kits. If you're value conscious, it's not worth getting the kits. So anyway, thanks for watching and we'll see you later.